Hi, this is Greg Sterner, physical therapist and owner of Fitness Together Point Loma. We're having an upcoming seminar on mobility exercises and how they can really help increase your function, decrease pain, help with sports performance, and just overall good health. It's kind of the missing piece of most people's exercise programs. They maybe do strength component, cardio, but they're not doing flexibility work. So I'm going to show you 5 great stretches a day, and we really hope you can join us at our seminar. It's going to be an hour long. There will be actually an incentive. We'll have some discounted pricing for anybody that attends on our personal training programs. And it's April 29th, Wednesday at 7 p.m. I'm just going to start out showing you a couple of the stretches that we're going to go over there. We're going to add a lot more, but a couple of my favorite ones. This is more of like a triangle pose. Not quite a yoga one, but basically both legs straight. We're going to slide down this leg, and the other arm is going to go up high, vertical. And you basically look like a triangle from the side. It's a great stretch for your low back, kind of get your quadratus lumborum, and a good stretch kind of can get your hamstrings also. So that's one stretch. One of my other favorites, this comes from basically functional movement screens and testing. It's basically a straight leg raise. It's going to stretch your hamstrings, but it also stretches your hip flexors. What you're going to do is hold the strap here, and you're going to get your leg up as high as you can with a straight knee. Keep both toes at noon, straight ahead, and then you're going to lift up and down on your other leg as you keep a nice, tight abdominal area. And that's basically going to stretch your hamstrings and actually your hip flexors. If you think about it, kind of simulates the running motion or sprinting motion where one leg's back, the other leg's forward. So that's another one, kind of gets the hamstring area. And next one here is going to be a hip flexor stretch. Again, this comes from functional movement systems or screening. You're going to put the foam roller right in front of your big toe, bring this leg a little more into the midline, and then you're going to do a pelvic tilt, tuck your butt in under you, tight abs, and then you're going to bring your hips forward as you do that, trying to not collapse your back, and it's a really good hip flexor stretch. You would do about 10 to 15 of those. Same thing with the exercise before, and not hold very long, just 2 to 3 second holds. Our next stretch is going to be a scorpion stretch. This is a really good one. Kind of gets your hip flexors, abdominals, and makes you use your lower back. You're going to get on your stomach with your arms out like a T. You're going to turn your head to the same leg that you're going to move, and then that leg is going to reach up and across, and you're going to try to touch your foot to your fingers without moving the arm. It's a really great stretch. It kind of opens up your front side. To do the other one again, you would look at that hand and reach up with the other leg, trying to touch the foot towards the hand. And that's another really great stretch. And the last one I'm going to show you is more of a soft tissue mobility exercise with a foam roller. This is good for the upper back. I do have a lot of people actually just kind of flop back over this to mobilize or stretch their thoracic spine, their mid-back. But what we're going to do on this one is bridge. And then you're just going to roll the foam roller from about the bottom of your shoulder blades to the top of your shoulder blades. You can kind of twist off to the side a little bit if you want to get a little more in the muscle versus the joint. And for people that sit a long time at work, if you have a sedentary job where you sit a lot, it's a great exercise to kind of loosen up that area that usually you become tight in during the day. Again, Greg Sterner, physical therapist and owner of Fitness Together Point Loma. Please come to our upcoming seminar, April 29th at 7 p.m. We'd love to see you there to learn a lot of great information on flexibility and how that could help your overall fitness. Thank you.